Here's a super helpful Claude code tip, and just really any of the AI builders. You can see down here, you have your percentage of how much you've used for the week. I've used 48%, resets in 3 days. I use it quite a bit. And so and I'm on the $200 a month plan, but especially if you're on the $20, $100, you want to be really careful of how many credits you use. And so a couple of really helpful things that I've seen. Number one is don't be afraid to open up new sessions. So every time you work on a different topic in your project, on your website or software, whatever, go ahead, open up a new session, and it'll just, whatever you're working on, it'll automatically pop up. I'm working on this math app, and it'll just pop up and then just say, hey, fix this. And just have this project work on that one fix. And then you can open up another project and work on another fix. Open up another project, work on another part of the website. And so don't be afraid to have 5, 6, 7 of these going at the same time, rather than just having one, because the is every session that keeps on going longer and longer, it takes up more credits because it's reading everything that you already have in that project every single time. Whereas if you start a new project, then it doesn't have to read through all that other stuff. And most of the time, 90% of the time, maybe 70% of the time, it's not pertaining to what you're working on. And so if you fix this bug over here, bug A, and then you go to bug B, bug A has nothing to do with bug B. And so if you have them on the same session, then it's like, oh, what does bug A have to do? And then it's like trying to figure out how bug A is relating to bug B just takes up more credits. It's gonna figure it out, but just takes up more credits. So that's super helpful tip for me, was opening up new sessions for every new thing that you're working on. And then let's say you work on bug A and it doesn't get resolved, then don't open up a new session because you want that previous context. So if you keep on working on the same project, the same area of your site or of your software or your AI agent, then just stay on that same session.